May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, please come in, sit down.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
What was your optional subject?
Civil engineering, ma'am. Civil engineering.
Civil engineer.
Yes.
India has one of the highest road accidents.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what would you say are the road safety measures we need and are not there? And as a civil engineer, what would you do? I mean, what role does construction, design, etc., play in these road accidents?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to look at this road accident holistically, but specifically in the construction aspect, we have to design the road in a scientific manner. That what are the side distance, what are the cross slopes, and besides that, where are the crossing signs? These things should be designed in a scientific manner. Then only road accidents can be avoided. But ma'am, we have to work it in a holistic manner. For example, how the pedestrians as well as the persons who are driving the vehicles, are they properly trained or not? Do they have proper driving license or not? So we have to work in this front also, ma'am.
No, but what would you do to ensure proper road design? As an engineer, as a civil engineer,
Yes, ma'am.
What would you do to design? I agree that but what are the elements which should go into designing a road?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first thing is road width should be proper. Second thing, side distance. Side distance is the most important aspect. For example, there is a curve, either vertical curve or horizontal curve. Then the driver should be able to see a proper distance so that if he applies brake, he could basically stop the vehicles at right time. So there should be side distance properly.
Side distance.
Yes, ma'am. Side distance.
Sight.
Sight. SIGST. Side distance. So that he can see properly on the front. So that distance should be properly available. Besides that, if someone wants to cross the other vehicle, so there should be proper channel where he or she can cross the other person. So for that, we have to design that part also. Besides,
what role does construction material and how it's used? What role does that play?
Construction material, ma'am. In construction material, we should ensure that there should be proper friction in the road, especially during the times of rainfall. There might be problem of skidding, so there should be proper friction on the road.
Proper
friction. Yes. So that the vehicle can stop properly. Besides, there should be proper camber, that is cross slope, so that water can drain properly. And in this way, there will not be any friction. There will not be any skidding. There will be proper friction, so that
why
vehicle.
Is it that almost every road develops big potholes? Every urban road you see anywhere.
Yes, ma'am.
With or without rain, it develops big potholes.
Yes, ma'am.
Why is it? Is it because they have used substandard material, or is it because of lack of maintenance, or what is the problem? Why do we have these huge potholes which cause accidents?
Ma'am, quality standards given during the contract documents, those are proper, but I think the contractors and the nexus between the contractors and sometime officials, that leads to corruption, and which leads to substandard use of quality materials, substandard use of construction materials, which leads to deterioration in quality. And even during the times of inspection by officials, if there is a nexus between the contractors and officials as well as politicians, then there can be use of substandard materials, which will lead to such kind of potholes and deterioration in road quality.
Okay, but are there any new materials coming up which will be better, will be firmer, which will not erode so quickly? Can you think? Are there any new materials which have been developed which can be used?
Ma'am, certainly there have been a development of materials. Currently, I am not able to recall.
You have not heard of plastics being used for waste,
Yes,
plastic
yes,
being used for roadways?
Yes, ma'am. Plastics are being used, fly ash are also being used, as well as we are also using geosynthetic materials. So these are the alternate materials which can increase
So
the quality.
there is actually a lot of potential
Yes,
to
ma'am.
use waste material,
Yes, ma'am. Waste materials.
generated elsewhere
Yes, ma'am.
for building good roads.
Yes, ma'am.
So I don't know whether stubble, this stubble which is in the after the harvest which is left, can that be done something with it to use for roads or any other uses?
Ma'am, I have not read about this, the use of stubble, but fly ash that is generated after the burning of coal, that is extensively being used. And even,
It is being used.
yes, ma'am.
Huh.
The Environmental Ministry has also issued guidelines for that, fly ash. And it also increased the capacity of road.
Okay. What are wetlands and why are they important?
Ma'am, wetlands are water bodies where water is static. And generally during the lowest water it should have not lowest, during the highest amount of water it should have at least 6 meter of water. That is the technical definition, but in general wetlands are water bodies basically.
Yeah, but why are they important? Important enough for preservation. There are, they have used Ramsar tag.
Yes, Ramsar
That
site.
is a Ramsar tag. Have you heard of that?
Yes, ma'am, Ramsar site.
Can you mention two? How many are there? This ones in India which have this tag.
Ma'am, 37 sites are included in wetlands in India. Last year, 11 or 12 sites were included. For example, the first one was in Odisha. That was, I'm not able to recall. And there is one Sambar Lake in Rajasthan. And in Guwahati
has been recently declared.
In Uttar Pradesh, 6 wetland sites were declared. For example, Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary. In Maharashtra, I think 1 or 2 wetlands were included from Maharashtra.
Okay, Mr. Handra.
Praveen,
Yes, sir.
your academic profile is in front of us.
Yes, sir.
You are a civil engineer from IIT Kanpur,
Yes,
and
sir.
you are a railway engineer right now.
Yes, sir.
We can understand how your education will be relevant as a railway engineer.
Yes, sir.
But now tell us, how will your education be relevant if you are selected, you get the third choice here, and you become a tax officer?
Yes, sir.
How will it be relevant then?
Sir, properly civil engineering, I'm doubtful that how I will use it, but in general, engineering quality, engineering mindset will be useful. For example, understanding any system, how to understand the system and then properly implement any solution.
Good.
So those kind of mindset.
General abilities. General abilities.
Yes, sir, general abilities.
Praveen, how is the Indian economy doing today?
Sir, before COVID pandemic, it was there was some problem of downfall in consumption expenditure. But after COVID-19 pandemic, the economy shrank for minus 7.5% in last year. But now,
Right now,
now it's recovering, sir.
it's recovering. But in general, if we ignore the pandemic,
Yes, sir.
what are the weaknesses of our economy today?
Sir, I think we are not able to use the potential of every Indians in our economy.
Indians are not being used. And how can they be used?
Sir, only there has been a lot of neglect in education and healthcare. So there has not been
By
proper.
giving education and healthcare, they will be useful.
Yes, sir.
Actually, this is the other way around, my dear. Some 20 lakh engineers who cannot be called uneducated
Yes, sir.
are unemployed today. So education has been given to them, but they are useless, or we are not able to use them. So forget about giving education. And giving health, how will it be useful?
Sir, there will be formation of human capital, and I think
This is too vague in general term, human capital, but tell me in concrete terms, how will they improve the economy?
Sir, there should be localization of skill development and all the solutions that we require in local areas. For example, in every district.
What can be done? What should be done?
For example, sir, in coronavirus pandemic, all the solutions, be it mask or sanitizer or even robots in hospitals, those should have been designed by the local skill development institutes as well as
They have
universities.
been done at the district level.
They should be done. Then only our economy.
Then probably we would never get masks because facilities do not exist in India at district level.
So that's
people
what
would
I am
have died.
suggesting, sir. That there should
Think
be
of something else. I'm giving you one more chance.
Sir, we have to look in every sector, sir. For example, agriculture. We have to increase the productivity in agriculture, right from the input side.
Everybody says we have to increase. What to do for that? Climate is not in our hands. We are monsoon dependent. How to do it?
Sir, we have to increase the knowledge capital of the farmers and as well as.
Again, education.
Yes, sir. So that, for example,
That may take decades. In the short term, what can be done to improve economy?
Sir, in the short term,
yes.
sir, in the short term, sir, we should increase the capability of the normal Indians so that they can consume more.
They can consume more.
Yes,
how,
sir.
how to increase
Sir,
their capacity?
Sir, for example, there was a solution suggested by Dr. C. Rangarajan that we should provide basic incomes to all the women above the age of 20 years.
Okay.
They will cater to the needs of the entire family.
Who will provide? Government will provide. Government
yes,
hasn't
sir.
got money now.
Sir, if we just focus on this side, that women above the age of 20 years, that money can be certainly generated.
You are not answering my question. If the money is not there, how can it be given to every Indian?
Sir,
Last question. On your hobby, you will be more comfortable.
yes, sir.
Who are the top squash players of India?
Sir,
Top three.
Sir, on the women front, Josna Chinappa as well as Deepika Palikal, and on the
Who
men's
was
side,
the first Indian to be in the top 10 in the world?
Sir, Saurabh Ghosal and Josna
Saurabh
Chinappa.
Ghosal was never in top 10. His best ranking is 15.
Okay. Then, sir,
Which ball do we use in competitive squash?
Sir, double dot yellow ball.
Why double dot yellow one?
Sir, because the bounce is less, and so the players can cover the ball
fine.
to the front.
You mentioned Rangarajan.
Yes, sir.
See, who was he? Who is he?
Sir, he is an economist. He was also member of Planning Commission, and currently he is professor.
Where is he now?
Yes, sir.
He is professor. Where he is now?
Sir, I'm not able to.
Was he
recall.
RBI governor also? Who is current governor RBI?
Sir, current RBI.
Before this?
Sir, yes, sir.
Before this?
Sir, Urjit Patel.
And before that?
Sir, Dr. Raghuram Rajan, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Have you heard the name of
Sakti Kantha, sir. Sorry, sir. Sakti Kantha, sir.
हाँ, झा नहीं, Das.
Yes, Sakti Kantha Das.
Ah,
Yes,
that's
sir.
it. So that Raghuram Rajan.
Yes, sir.
He wrote a book also.
Yes, sir.
What is the name?
Sir, he has written various books. I had read The Third Pillar. And-
Okay. So now you are in railways.
Yes, sir.
So what training you have so far undergone? Foundation, Staff College over?
Yes, sir. I have been to.
And thereafter Pune,
Yes, sir. I have been to.
induction.
No, sir. not
Currently,
in-
where are you posted?
Sir, I am currently undergoing field training where I have to go to various places. Currently, I am in Lucknow, but from the next week I will go to Guwahati.
Okay. No, and zone allotment is there?
Yes, sir.
Which zone do you have?
Sir, East Coastal Railway.
East Coast.
Yes, sir.
The Bhubaneswar.
Yes.
How many divisions are there in Bhubaneswar?
Uh,
Which are the divisions?
Sir, one is Khorda.
Okay.
Another
Khorda,
one is
Khorda.
Khorda.
Anyway,
And Bhubaneswar. So I'm not able to remember the other two. I think there are 4 divisions.
okay. So now come to that. Tell me something. Academic institutions of Pune and Baroda. You have spent time in
Yes, sir.
Baroda as well as in Pune.
Yes, sir. Sir, in Baroda, the whole foundation course is taught.
No, that's correct. Academic institutions, look, the universities. What is the name of the Baroda University?
Sir, of railway, that is National Academy
No,
of Indian
railway is all right. National Academy of
Indian Railways.
Indian Railways.
Yes.
NAIR. Earlier it was known as
Earlier, sir, I'm not able to recall.
Railway Staff College.
Railway Staff College. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So no, that's not. So you are the from 2018 batch.
Yes, sir.
Maybe the last bogie of engineering subsidy exam.
Yes, sir. Last one is 2019, sir. But yes, sir.
19 it was recruitment
Yes,
was done.
Yes, sir.
So in 20 it was not done.
No, sir. After 2019, there has not been any.
I think in 19 also not.
Yes, it was.
No.
Sir. Sir, actually, I am of EOL batch. So basically, in 2018, I took extraordinary leave, and after that, I joined with 2019 batch.
Okay.
Yes.
That's all. So what was my question?
Sir, various universities and academies.
So that Baroda we have some universities.
Yes, sir.
What is the name?
Sir, actually, we were not allowed to go outside.
It was so restricted. Who was
Yes, sir.
course director?
Sir,
Who was the DG at that time?
sir, again, this is one of my weakness that I'm not able to recall the name.
Doesn't matter. So, what for Baroda is, there is some important historical importance of Baroda. Anyway, we can shift to Pune. Pune
Yes,
is your alma mater, that institution of civil engineers. So, tell me something about Pune. Some academic institutions are very important in Pune.
Yes, sir. I'm not aware about this, sir. Again, we were not allowed to go outside in Pune also, sir.
Okay, but why Pune is known as the student city of India?
Sir, historically, Pune has been very famous about education. And even the name
you are going
comes
for
from Pune.
going for history. You tell me which important leaders were associated with Pune, not Maharashtra.
Yes, sir. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was associated with Pune.
Okay,
Uh,
where was he incarnated? That jailed. Where he Bal Gangadhar Tilak?
no, sir, I don't know.
Okay, tell me something else. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is one. He was in Mandalay jail, Burma.
Yes, sir. Mandalay Jail. Burma,
Okay,
when
so
he
now
was-
Tilak is one. Those who are associated with Pune.
No, sir. I
Okay,
don't-
my last question.
Yes, sir.
Why Bihar is lagging behind? Now you have exposure to Gujarat,
Yes, sir.
much peaceful state, industrial growth, no mochi or bhikari. Maharashtra also
Yes, sir.
equally doing well.
Yes, sir.
How Bihar can be improved? What would you like to implement in Bihar? Even when we started with our chairman roads,
Yes, sir.
worst roads are in Bihar.
Yes, sir.
Is it?
Sir, with my experience, it has improved a lot.
Okay.
Before, sir, to travel 40 kilometers, we have to spend at least 3 hours. Now, at least we can travel in 40 minutes. So, that's
That's
certainly
an
an
improvement.
improvement.
So road has been improved.
Yes, sir, it has improved a lot. Sir, besides what we can do in Bihar, sir, first thing is the governance mechanism must improve so that basic services, for example, education.
Now it is any sign of improvement?
Sir, on infrastructure front, there is certainly sign of improvement. On education front, infrastructure wise, a lot of school has been opened, but teacher quality is not good, sir. Recently, I went to my home. I visited schools. So teacher quality are not good. So, however, further, sir, in health, infrastructure is also poor. Bihar government has given a lot of focus on
Okay,
education.
besides Rajendra Prasad and with the politicians participated in freedom struggle from Bihar.
Mm.
This is our heritage, 75 years.
Yes, sir. Mm.
Okay.
Bihar, we are talking about Bihar. You
Yes,
are
sir.
from there. Police administration is better or general administration? I mean, you are a aspirant for IAS.
Yes, sir.
District administration is better or police administration in Bihar? In your
Sir,
opinion,
sir, district administration is better
why?
because, sir,
What are
various.
the issues? You make a SWOT analysis of police administration and district administration. Strength, weakness, all. SWOT. You know SWOT, right?
Yes, sir, strength, weakness. Sir, if we take the example of district administration, sir, strength is, sir, Bihar has passed Right to Public Service Act. As per this, all the basic services like education, water supply, such things must be provided by the administration. So we can go to the administration and ask them. However, such kind of things are not available in IPS, police administration.
Land reforms have been taken up.
So land reforms has not been done properly in Bihar, sir. Still there are a lot of inequality in perspective of land.
Okay, come.
Sir, weakness is again the governance mechanism is not that good. That's why we have not been able to get the basic services still. Sir, opportunities in the district administration are a lot because all the basic services that the governance need to provide, they have to do that. Threat is, sir, I don't see any threat because
Corruption is not a threat, or
Yes.
violence, crime.
sir, violence and crime has dropped a lot because during my childhood days there were lots of left-wing extremism as well as organized crime also, but now it has decreased a lot.
Encounter policing.
Yes,
Let us
sir.
do a SWOT. What are the strength, weakness, and all?
Sir, related to
Encounter policing, not about Bihar, anywhere. Encounter policing. Because police is your second option, right?
yes, sir.
So,
Sir, I don't think there is any strength in encounter policing. Weakness is
so the police officer should be killed by the terrorist or the criminal.
no, sir. Certainly that should not be
There
done.
may be a case where encounter is justified or not.
Sir, in extreme cases, yes, it is justified, sir. Huh? In extreme cases, yes, sir. Maybe.
No, there is a provision in Indian Penal Code where you say that if you are endangered, you can fire.
And
Correct.
yes, sir.
That is why they are given arms. Okay. Go
Yes,
ahead.
sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, weakness is, sir, when police take it as a value that yes, we are empowered to do encounter, that becomes weakness. Sir, opportunity, especially in
Speedy justice. Is it a speedy justice measure?
no, sir.
No.
This is not speedy justice.
Suppose a girl is raped, the case will take so much.
Sir,
That's good.
I think we are just removing the wound. We are not treating the entire process of how that wound festered. So, sir, I think unless we solve the entire problem of criminal justice system, this will not solve the problem.
What
At
is
least-
the threat?
Sir, threat is, sir, when people becomes very much disillusioned with the working of the entire criminal justice system, then it becomes a sort of feedback mechanism where people want encounter and police to satisfy that enthusiasm of the public. They do that kind of thing. For example, what we saw in Hyderabad encounter.
Okay, sure.
But then, I will suggest in both the SWOT analysis, the threat is the politician itself. They are the biggest threat. Think over my statement. And you couldn't give the name of other freedom fighters. The first Chief Minister of Bihar, Dr. Sri Krishna Singh, he is very near to your hometown. He was from Barbigha.
Yes, sir.
You don't know him. Second Chief Minister of Bihar is also very near to you.
Yes,
Pandit Vinodanand Jha.
Vinodanand, yes.
Anyway, tell me, what is the progress of vaccination, COVID vaccination in Bihar and country-wise?
Sir, country-wise, around 57 crore people have been vaccinated with one dose.
And what is the total population?
Sir, total population is 1.31 billion.
So what is the percentage?
Sir, it is around 44 to 45% of the people have been vaccinated with one dose. Yes, sir. Specifically with Bihar, sir.
And second dose?
Sir, second dose. No, sir. I'm not.
Negligible.
Huh?
Negligible. Even I think, if I am correct, you check the data,
Yes, sir.
I think 3 to 4%.
Even 57 crore is not the number of
Not
people,
the
it's
number.
the number of vaccines given. Number of people is
If it's
around
still less.
45, 46.
Okay, yes, sir.
Now tell me, what is the reason, in spite of the government giving all the facilities, why there is this hesitancy against the vaccination?
Sir, in my place, sir, there is a lot of vaccine hesitancy. People do not come to the vaccination sites, sir, because I think first thing, certainly there is a rumor that.
It's a free, no, you don't have to pay anything.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
So there is a lot of rumor that if you get vaccine, you will get fever, which is true, that most of the people get fever. So people think that, and there has been rumor that some people have died because of vaccination. So they think that it's like going into the danger by oneself. And further,
And
as
if they die otherwise without taking any vaccination, so which one is the bigger evil?
sir, that's the ignorance part, sir, that people
Now,
are.
whose role it is to impress upon the people that taking a vaccine is going to be good for you?
Yes, sir. Sir, first thing is local bodies as well as district administration. They have to work to make people aware that how vaccine is good for you. How.
Now, do you think that it will be a good idea that the persons who do not have the double vaccination, they will not be given any government benefit, no work in Manrega, no job, nothing. It has to be done by force. Because the country has resources, people is ready, government is ready, but persons are not taking, citizens are not taking the benefit.
No, sir.
What do you think
I
should
think
be
I
the
will
code?
focus on making people aware. I'll think that if people are not taking, then I'm not able to do work on all the fronts to make people aware. So I don't think this should be the approach to disincentivize people. Rather, our approach should be to incentivize and make people aware.
Okay. What do you think about the non-veg food?
Sir, I used to eat non-veg food like 2-3 years back.
How many people of India take non-veg food? how much percentage of India is vegetarian?
Sir, it's difficult for me to tell.
Take a
But
guess.
sir, I think sir, more than 40%, because I'm guessing this from this way, that maximum amount of export of meat is done by India. So if despite so much population we are exporting,
Whether this export is giving us some precious revenue, or how
Yes,
much
sir.
percentage of export is this meat export?
sir, percentage wise I don't know, but yes sir, this is.
What's
I
your
think-
personal opinion? Do you think that animal killing should be stopped?
Sir, I think people should understand that what is the need of this food.
Okay.
Only to satisfy, for example, in Siberia, people have to eat because there are no crops. But in our places,
no crops.
yes, sir,
Crops means, what is the meaning of crops?
crops, various kind of agricultural crops.
Oh, crops.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Huh.
Sir, but in our places, we have so many foods available. Only to satisfy our own desire, we kill animals and eat them.
Do you think the plants have got no life?
Uh,
Why this emotion in eating
Sir-
animal food? What is so abhorrent?
Sir, even if we see in the terms of, sir, we have to eat something to satisfy our need.
Chalo.
Certainly, sir. Yes, ma'am.
So your interview is over.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to ask anybody anything for clarification, anything?
Sir, ma'am, I'm forgetting a lot about various names, which is one of my weakness also. I don't able to remember names. So,
Done, madam. You are good articulate. Can I?
Yeah.
You are doing well. No problem. But your awareness to the city, their foundation, every
Yes.
time you are saying we were not allowed to go.
yes,
That
sir.
may be a fact. No,
Yes,
what is a fact? Because of lockdown. In Baroda also you were. So a general awareness is for a young man who
Yes,
is
sir.
conscious of that everything.
Yes, sir.
Internet पे देखो.
This is,
Yes.
but sorry, one part on my part mistake. You are a civil engineer and now monetization, Indian Railway, you be ready for that.
Yes,
which
sir.
is important part.
Yes,
so
sir.
you will be grilled on
And
that.
National Highway,
Huh,
Railway.
so yeah, so I had noted, but because of shortage of time, I could not. Be ready for that.
I also noted.
When your interview?
Sir, 21st September.
Okay, so then maybe in next round I will
थोड़ा
remember.
इकोनॉमी पे पढ़ लो. इकोनॉमी के क्वेश्चंस में
Yes, sir.
हर क्वेश्चन का आंसर एक ही नहीं होता. लोग आईएएस बनना चाहते हैं, सोचते हैं कि एजुकेशन और हेल्थ से सब कुछ सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएंगी. ऐसा नहीं.
Yes, sir.
And ultimately when I gave you further hint, you came to agriculture. Agriculture से भी कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Agriculture cannot make India a rich country. Be realistic about it. Read about industry.
Yes, sir.
जम्मू से बहुत बच्चे आ रहे हैं. बहुत.
जमुई से काफी आ रहे हैं.
No, you are doing.
You're a good candidate. Make use of this opportunity.
Yes.
इस बार नहीं हो जाओ पास.
You are already in survey, so you
Yes.
expect more specific questions on administration, policing.
Yes, sir.
एक मिनट समय लेके.
See, you have to, this name forgetting, you have to find out some mechanism where you can remember. You know, either make a list of all the, you take a topic and against it put the names who are attached to that topic.
Yes, ma'am.
So that way you are able to associate. So
Yes.
somebody asks you the topic, freedom struggle, Bihar, clue words.
Yes, ma'am.
So then you remember that word.
Yes, ma'am.
So similarly, make out a list of the common names, like first of all, here some names have been asked. So make a list of all those and in what connection it was asked.
Yes, ma'am.
Then any other names you find, just remember in what connection you read it, wherever.
ma'am.
So that you will learn to associate the name and the topics, and you do it, read it 2-3 times, then you will be able to remember names.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, each time to say, look, I don't know, it doesn't look so
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Hmm?
Yes.
You have to do something about it.
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, at this age, you should not be forgetting. At my age, it's absolutely permitted.
But Sharmaji remembers so many
No,
things.
but in administration, it is good to remember names.
Yes,
So
sir.
that aids you in the long run. Okay. So develop these habits.
To be a good manager, you need to do that.
Names, year, facts. If you say these things logically,
And now
You get,
I withdraw Rajendra Prasad from Bihar, and then you were blank. From Jayaprakash Narayan to Satyanand Sinha to
Yes, sir.
blank. Sorry.
Chandrasekhar,
It's a today morning till now, no? You have met so many people.
Yes, sir.
Now, just after in the evening, you recall the names. Whom did we detect?
Yes.
10 नाम लिख करके रख लो अभी, जिनसे मिले हो, कॉपी में लिख के रख लो, और शाम में देखो कितने याद हैं. Do this practice every day.
So I will prepare for those. things.
Do it like a game to see how much you remember. Now, names of panelists, for example. See if you,
How much you can recall?
how much, just now, how many names do you remember, and then at 5 o'clock, how many do you remember again?
Yes, ma'am.
So, like that, you use it as a game everywhere. Hmm? Whenever you read a topic, underline the name associated with it.
write down 2-3 times, remember. Formula, of course, all coaching institutions give formula how to remember.
Yes.
You know those stuff. Tree diagram, so many things they do.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
All
you,
the
sir.
best
Thank
of
you.
luck.
Thank you.